What color, Avery? Is that red? Say red. No, no, no. Very good. You want a new color? What color's next? What color? Want to use green? Say green. Here, Foof. Put on the paper. Go ahead, color. Stop. Pick it up. Pick up the crayon, Avery. Pick it up. Here, color. Put on the paper. On the paper, Ave. Thank God they're washable. On the paper. Good job. What's the next color? Purple? Where's purple? No, you can't go on this. Avery, sit on your bottom. Sit on your bottom. And here, use the paper. On the paper, Ave. You want to use this one? Yeah. Here, over here. Over here, Eve. Good job. Very good. Go ahead, color. That's green. Say green. Put it away. Go ahead, put it in. Good girl. What's in there? Here. On the paper. Avery, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Avery.